Welcome to our channel. First Republic Bank provides payroll cards to make accessing your earnings more convenient. Activating your card via the mobile app is quick and can be done from anywhere. Step 1. Download the First Republic Bank mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Open the app and look for the Sign Up or Register option if you're a first-time user. Tap on it to create your mobile banking profile. Step 3. Enter your payroll card number, personal information, and any temporary PIN or activation code provided by your employer or in your card materials. Step 4. Create a secure username and password for your account. Follow the app's requirements for password strength to ensure account security. Step 5. Once registered and logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you should see your payroll card account listed. Step 6. Tap on your payroll card to view account details. Look for an Activate Card button or option in the Card Management section. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete activation. You may need to verify your identity by entering the card's expiration date and CVV code. Step 8. Set up your permanent PIN when prompted. Choose a 4-digit number that's secure but easy for you to remember. After confirmation, your First Republic payroll card is fully activated and you can start using it immediately for purchases and cash withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.